What's going on YouTube? This boy Trucker Smooth. Today we got an opportunity to visit Kinley 95 truck stop, one of the largest truck stops in North Carolina. I got a whole day to myself. My load delivered tomorrow, so I decided to go ahead and, check it out. So, as you can see behind me, there's a beautiful pink Peterbilt sitting in there, 389. So, we're gonna walk around in here, check it out, see what they got to offer. If you want to see what they have to offer, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell, and let's get it. Also, they have a truck wash here. You got another Pilot across the street, Waffle House over there. They have Wendy's, Taco Bell, Pizza Hut, Dairy Queen, Subway, Iron Skillet, and all that good stuff. You got front row valet parking. You got handicaps up there in the front. You got enough parking back there, on the other side over there. There's parking everywhere, man. Remember, Kinley Truck Stop. Let's get it.
I've been on the road, I've been doing shows. Now we eating steak, remember sleeping on the floor. We stillin' at the gas station when the time was cold. In the kitchen, hot, still trying to flip it out the stove. Rockin' fake J's, praying that nobody know. Watch them take my dog away, it was way too hard to stay composed. Fight to see the light of day, all this blood on my clothes. I was tired every day, green light, it's time to go. I don't wanna live life fast or die too
Music
young.
licensing reimagined.
100 miles per hour, I might crash, cause the good die young. Yeah, the good die young. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Cause I'm coming back home. Right back where I left because I know my people needed me. Diamond in the rough, I don't know what it is they see in me. Go down as a legend in my city cause we beat the streets. Trying to spread the wealth around the block, no I can't keep from me. Told me I should leave. I see the bigger picture and it's way bigger than me. Can't be living like a king, but my people need to eat. If I got it, then you got it, we gon' get back on our feet. And I put it on me. I don't wanna live life fast or die too young. Or die too young.
Music licensing reimagined.
Good, die young. But here I come. Push it to the limit, I can't go.
I'm a boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side.
Artlist IO.
Day we hustle, but the night we boy. Know that they ride or die. I'm a boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Day we hustle, but the night we
Music licensing reimagined.
My name came up a lot of sounds, more when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. My name came up a lot of sounds, more when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. My name came up a lot of sounds, more when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. My name came up a lot of sounds.
Artlist IO.
Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. I'm a OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. OG boy. Day we hustle, but the night we OG boy. Know that
Music
they ride or
licensing
die.
reimagined.
OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. These brothers, my guys, know that they fly. Know that they fly. Know that they ride or die. Cold, these brothers, my guys, know that they fly. Know that
Artlist
they fly. Know that
IO.
they ride or die. CJ Ike, they ain't no longer about. They ain't no longer about. They ain't no longer about. CJ Ike.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Ride or die.
I've been on the road, I've been doing shows.
Artlist.io.
Now we eating steak, remember sleeping on the floor. We still at the gas station when the time was cold. In the kitchen, hot, still trying to flip it out the stove. Rocking fake J's, praying that nobody know. Watch them take my dog away, it was way too hard to stay composed. Fight to see the light of day, all this blood on my clothes. I was tired every day, green light, it's time to go. I don't wanna live life fast or die too
Music
young.
licensing reimagined.
100 miles per hour, might crash, cause the good die young. Yeah, the good die young. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Cause I'm coming back home. Right back where I left because I know my people needed me. Diamond in the rough, I don't know what it is they see in me. Go down as a legend in my city cause we beat the streets. Trying to spread the wealth around the block, no I can't keep from me. Told me I should leave, I see the bigger picture and it's way bigger than me. Can't be living like a king, but my people need to eat. If I got it, then you got it, we gon' get back on our feet. And I put it on me. I don't wanna live life fast or die too young. Or die too young.
Music licensing reimagined.
Good die young. But here I come. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Cause I'm coming back home. I'm coming back home. I'm coming back home. Y'all coming back home. Y'all coming back home.
Artlist.io.
Coming back home. Y'all coming back. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm
Music
coming back
licensing
home.
reimagined.
Back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home.
Artlist.io.
You got me exclusive. I'm so high up and lucid. You take me to a safe place. We steady on the same pace, yeah. I'm crazy. You like that? Don't back down. No, you talk back. Keep it spicy. There's a fact.
Music
we
licensing
on the right track,
reimagined.
yeah. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride you, we crossing the line like a trap.
So that was Kinley Truck Stop. It's, you know, a little walk to walk around. I didn't walk through all of the aisles, but there's plenty of stuff for trucks, like home goods, stuff you can find at Walmart, in your corner store. They got a convenience store in there. As you can see, all of the food court. I just got me something to eat. Now I'm back in my peak. Think I'm about to go to sleep. Trust me, you won't hear a peep. I'm tired, man. It's a little rhyme for y'all, but I'm tired, man. Shout out to my fan who I just seen, Brian. Nice meeting you, man. You're gonna see yourself on this video. No, you're not, because you say you didn't want to be on camera, but nice meeting you, man. They gave me a little history on it. I talked to two young ladies in there. One name is, I think her name Joseph. No, a guy named Joseph. The lady said she was the new Joseph, so she gave me a card with her number on it, just in case I wanted to come back and pick up some stuff, or some new stuff came in or whatever. But this is one of the chrome shops that's in there. You can call them ahead of time and his name James, and this is the actual truck stop card. If you can see that. Yeah, so they gave me a little history on it. This is the same company that has Iowa 80. Didn't know that. Good to know. So basically, if you've been to Iowa 80, it's pretty much the same thing, but just a little smaller. Other than that, man, I'm gonna stay here for the night, probably watch me some movies. I'm gonna go take me a shower in there. My next video, stay tuned, it's gonna be truck stop showers. So you guys can go ahead and hit the notification bell when I post that. So, you know, you got family members to ask how are the truck stops, you know, what the truck stops have in it, how the showers look for the main part. I had people asking me, you know, they're asking me if the whole shower is one shower and everybody take a shower like the damn locker room. But nah, it's not like that. So my next video is gonna be truck stop showers, strictly truck stop showers, and who has what and what the need and all that good stuff. So prepare for it. But like, comment, and subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a comment. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. But yeah, I got the waves out today. See them? But as a trucker, you know, it's not hard, but it's kind of hard to keep up with your waves. I give y'all my wave regimen, what I do, how I wash it, how I keep it tied down, how much I get it cut. But them things is in there. How I tie it down, all that good stuff, man. So stay tuned. Nope, they still in there. And they dogging. They dogging.